Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add dotted border to shape in Microsoft Word. So let's started. At first open your Word document file. In this video, I will show add dotted border to shape. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for a shape option. Now in a shape, now I choose from a oval shape and choose from diamond shape. Now draw a diamond shape. Then add dotted border. Now going to the shape outline option. Then click for dash option. Now click for a round dot and click for widget option. Then click for a 6 bit. Now again click for shape outline option. Then choose color. That's it. Then I show add dotted border to shape in Microsoft Word is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.